Today we will start with a topic that are exact differential equation. So firstly, if you have given any differential equation, how can you say that differential equation is exact differential equation? Suppose that you have given an equation like m dx plus n dy that is equals to 0. You have to check that whether this equation is exact or not. So for that, what we will do, we will find del m by del y that is equals to del n by del x. If these two are same, then we will say that the equations are exact differential equation. If these two are del m by del y is not equals to del n by del x, then we will say that it is a not exact differential equations. So see, firstly we will start with if the equation is exact, then how can you find a solution of exact differential equation? So if your equation is exact, then its solution can be given by, you can give a solution like integration of m dx plus here integration of terms in n not containing x dy is equals to c, where y is taken as a constant here. So if your equation is exact, then you can find a solution in this way. If your equation is not exact, then there is a further process of finding integrating factor and to find a solution. So firstly, we will start with the equation so that which are exact, and we will see how can you find a equation, how can you find a solution if your equations are exact. Suppose that you have given a question like 3x squared plus 6xy squared dx plus 6x square y plus 4 y square dy equals to 0. Now if we will compare this equation with our m dx plus n dy equals to 0, the value of m can be 3x square plus 6xy square. Similarly, the value of n can be 6x square y plus 4y square. So firstly, we will check that whether the equation is exact or not. So check the equation. How can we find del m by del y that is equals to del n by del x. Now see, firstly we will start with the finding del m by del y. So del by del y that is 3x square plus 6x y square. Now see, here it is a partial derivative. As we know that when we have a partial derivative, if the partial derivative with respect to y, it means you will treat x as a constant. If it is a partial derivative with respect to x, you will treat y as a constant. How can you find derivative? It is distributed over del by del y, that is 3x square plus del by del y, that is 6x y square. So in this case, if you want to find a derivative, you will get here this is a 0 and the next one can be taken as 12xy. So it means that you will get here 12xy. Similarly, we will find del n by del x. So it means that del by del x, it is 6x square y plus 4y square. Now again we will find a derivative, partial derivative. This would be a del by del x 6x square y plus del by del x 4y square. So what is the derivative of this? This can be written as 12xy. This is again a constant. So you will get here 12xy. So in this case, we will get del m by del y, that is equals to del n by del x. It means that your given equation are exact differential equation. Now, if our given equation are exact differential equation, how can you find a solution? So we have already done the method. If you have exact differential equation, you can find its solution simply by taking here integration of m dx plus and dy m dx, then where y is treated as a, in this case y is taken as a constant. Here we will write down terms not containing x in n dy equals to 0. So first of all, we will check that what is the value of our m. Now the value of our m can be written as, that is, what is the value of m? That is this one. So what is the m? M can be taken as integration of 3x square plus 6xy square integration over dx. Y is treated as a constant. Then plus, here it is written terms not containing x in n. What is the meaning of that? Let's see. This is our n. So here are what is the value of n? N is a 6x square y plus 4y square. So it is written terms which not containing x. Now this is a term. This term contain x, and there is this term not contain x. So we have only one term which don't contain x. So what is that? That can be written as 4y square dy, that would be equals to 0. Now what we have to do? We have to find integration. See the further what we have to do? We have to find a integration. Now how can we find integration? A simple way to find integration. See, here y is treated as a constant, so we will do integration by parts. That would be a integration of 3x square dx plus integration of 6xy square. Here we will write down 6xy square into dx. Here both ways y is treated as a constant. Here also y is treated as a constant. So here is a 4y square dy, that would be equals to c. So further, how can you find? Here simple, there is no term containing y, so you can write down 3x cube by 3. This is the integration of this Again, 6 is a constant, y square is a constant, integration is left over dx, plus 4 is a constant, there is y square dy, that would be equals to c. So here you will get x cube plus 6y square into x square by 2 plus 4y cube by 3 equals to c. So after solving it, we will get here x cube plus, this would be cancel out, that is 3y square x square plus 4 by 3 y cube equal to c. This is a solution of exact differential equation. Thank you very much.